Hey business owners, I have a question for you. Are you feeling stuck? Are you feeling frustrated? Are you feeling like you don't know how to move forward in the current business environment in a time of uncertainty? Are you feeling like you have so much to give to the world and you've only grown a little bit here and there, but revenue is inconsistent? Are you stuck and not sure how to move forward? I felt like this. I have an MBA, I've owned businesses, and 10 years ago I felt like I was growing a little bit, but I didn't know how to scale and grow. I devoted myself to figuring out how to scale a business. What were the most important elements? And since then, for 10 years, I've grown dramatically every year, with the largest growth in my business happening last year from 2021 to this year, 2022, a growth of 89%. In the year, in a global pandemic, it can happen. And not just for me. I've spent the last 10 years and the last year working in a group program with 75 entrepreneurs, understanding what they need, helping them grow their businesses. They have all seen an average increase of 30% on their business. I want to help you. I've taken all that information and pulled it together, and I've created a comprehensive business education for you, the creative entrepreneur. It's called Z School. It has the mindset. How do you become the person who can do this? It has that traditional business knowledge that you, being an expert in what you do, don't have. It has specific spreadsheets and templates about how to grow using the digital media we are all called to use today. This is a 12-week course that starts January 19th. I'm offering it only one more time at the price it is right now. If you do the work and make that investment, you will make so much more money. You will be happy. You will have the business of your dreams. I feel very confident in my work. I know I can do it. I am the right coach for this. Join me at makemoreonlinewithlisa.com. Schedule a call with me if you have a question. But today's the day that you can take action to change your business. Let's grow together.